Okay, we're gonna make our first chips. This is a piece of some kind of stainless. The guy thought it was semi-metallic, magnetic, metallic. I don't get anything with the magnet. I have a much stronger magnet here. Where I put it at. It's stuck around here somewhere. Here it is. Here it is. So it won't. It is kind of sticking there. It's kind of like a magnet on silver. Silver will do that. You can slide a piece of silver coin right down a magnet. That's how you can tell it's silver. And we can demonstrate that. Here's a silver coin in a magnet. It's not really a smooth surface, but it'll come down. It'll slide down with a little resistance, not a free fall. So anyway, we're gonna chuck this piece up. And see if I can light up my screen. There we go. So we're just going to try facing this off. We'll go ahead and choke up on it. It'll go all the way in. Yeah, nice, snug, tight. Now, what do I want to use to face that with? I'm going to use this new insert that is designated for aluminum, of all things. I got good clearance there. We lock the tool post. And we'll bring it over all the way with the compound. There we go. Back it off. And then we're going to give it this should be a true number because the compound is at 90 degrees. So I'm gonna put in 10 thousandths. And we'll try facing 10 thousandths off of that. Okay, a little readjustment. We're going to go 190 RPMs. Feed rate. We're going to do we're going to do 10 thousandths per revolution. I'm going to activate the powered cross feed. No, we're not either. We're going to switch over to feed. And we're going to change our travel direction to what I call reverse. Now we're going to activate the powered cross feed. Disengage the cross feed, bring that out, and give that a wipe. I got a round nub there. So I want to lower my tool a hair. Let me do that. Okay, I've increased the RPMs to 314. I increased my feed rate to 16 thousandths per revolution, and I advanced it another 10 thousandths. And we're gonna get some stuff on there. And here we go. Do a spring pass. I will do 1,000. Okay, let's do a 20 thousandths cut across there. Then we're going to increase the RPMs to 490. I'm going to do 20 thousandths, 55, 65. Do try 30 thousandths. Okay, I never could have done that before with my power crossfeed. Didn't have the stamina, didn't have the it slipped, let's put it that way. So we got that all straightened out to my satisfaction, and this material is I believe is rather a challenge, so I think at least I'm very happy with that insert. I'm going to loosen this up and let's try doing a little bit of a lateral cut. See if there's any case hardening to this. Call that 0. We're still at 490 RPMs, and let's try 40 thousandths. We're going to change the direction of the feed. Sorry about that. That clutch is going to need some adjusting. Did I just lose something here? Well, number one, I'm going to run a magnet across this floor real quick. not going to work. It's not magnetic. So we'll have to resort to that went really well. The first chips. That material is I'm not sure how tough that would have been to machine under any other circumstances, but I'm assuming it's a tougher material to work. I did have a little fright, a little panic at the end. Actually, as I was cleaning things up, wiping things down, I noticed that I had no connection to the clutch at all. And so that, dear God, what did I, did I split something? But on the back side, the linkage meets, there's two pieces that kind of turn on each other, and there's a pin that connects them so they'll turn together and engage. So straight, just push that pin in. I need to get a little more permanent fix than that. Oh, I'm thrilled. I know that cross-slide would not have handled that pressure in its previous condition. So really happy about that. Didn't have any clanging. Happy about that. I'm really impressed with these inserts that are aluminum, designated for aluminum only. I don't know if I can give you any information on where the grade would be. Okay, the grade, it looks like is YBC 351. Okay, finish machining steel, YBC. Stainless, no. Let's see if I can find one here that talks about. Okay, here it is, YD 101. YD 101. Okay, that falls in this category. So, semi-finish of non-ferrous material, especially aluminum, and finish of heat-resistant alloys. No, I don't know enough about that to even inform you. Yeah, it's just, it's just, chips for aluminum. And what I was looking up before looks like a chip breaker grade comparison guide. Not sure if that applies to these inserts or not. New subscribers. I want to thank Wilson for coming along, and Daryl Smith, who I thought was already subscribed, but Daryl Smith, I want to encourage you to go to Daryl Smith's YouTube channel. Daryl Smith is I'm going to call him a master machine mechanic. Is that an apt description? From what I've heard of other people, that is the case. He is also an avid scraper. I think he has a problem. I think he has a little bit of a problem. My name is Daryl, and I can't quit scraping metal. God love him. He does, from what I can see, what he does is brilliant, and he's willing to put himself out there to teach me and you. He's not, to show us, to share some of his knowledge, and that's the beautiful thing about this community, is the willingness to share. Outside Screwball, for instance. I mean, these guys have they got no place watching my channel, but those guys are there. They give me advice. They send me presents. Brian Block, he's got to have better things to do than to look at my video. Yet, he helped me source a machine, helped me source the transportation problems. This community is awesome. DJ Faber Coblin, on technical matters, I can't even imagine, the knowledge that some of you people have. It just blows my mind, because, I was basic mathematics through high school, and George Bukowski, one of my viewers and commenters, he's very forthcoming with information, and he doesn't treat you with kid gloves. He's, listen, dude, pay attention. This is your problem. Fix it. Yeah. So, God bless this community, man. Hey guys, like and subscribe. Tell a buddy. Let's try that again. Like and subscribe. Tell a buddy. Bring a friend. And go see Daryl Smith's channel. I don't know what to do next. This is the coolest thing going, man. Got all my tooling set up. I was going to grind all these tabs off and re-weld them. Some of them are crooked. And I learned a new welding technique that might help me in my smashed tic-tac bubblegum welding. Also, the lubricant that I was using today is Hercules dark pipe threading cutting oil with sulfur base for machine threading. Hercules Chemical Company Incorporated, Canal Street, New York, New York. So I got that with one of my my picker friend who brings me toolboxes occasionally. No, actually, that was in the store. I found that up in the front of my building. That's where that came from.